good divergence on the volatility here. Very, very nice area to work into here for a sell. We've obviously had a big short down into this prior big low. Nice pullback, good quality pullback into this little bracket here. There's obviously a little bit of a sell pressure coming in here, but let's deal into this area here with regard to the Nash equilibrium storyline. So remember, the idea from yesterday was that when we looked at this Nash equilibrium, the idea was very, very straightforward. We find the volatility extending, and the volatility started to extend in this little candle here. So when you see the volatility extending, you know where the offer is. The offer is the lowest green price. So when you see the lowest green price starting to establish into this area here, you know that you can have offers above that price, right? That's the idea of this, is to try and get offers above that price. Now, obviously, that doesn't give us the perfect trade, because this is the volatility candle here, and then for the offer coming in here. It just gives you an idea of what to be doing, though. And obviously, the takeaway from that volatility candle has been brutally brilliant if you look at that narrative coming away from that price. We've just ran the sweep at the bottom edge, which is just as we started to speak there. We've just now ran the sweep as well, which is great news. Gives you a nice opportunity to bag and tag some money at 15,100. And that is a beautiful little cheeky outcome in line with the diverging volatilities, in line with those offers, in line with the storyline. This is fabulous. When you look at that, there's no doubt about it what you should be doing. You should be selling it, selling 130s and coming out at 100s, another $600. It's only taken us 3 minutes to make $600 per contract. That is spectacular. Now, obviously, we have other things in the background that helps to remind us about what's going on, what's been going on. The reason why this was even more spectacular was the flatness of the knob spread. You see that? Look at the flatness coming in here in the knob spread. The knob spread is absolutely cratering here at that stage. And with the knob spread cratering, why does the knob spread crater? A lot of the time it's because we're getting a higher rate storyline, right? You understand? So when the knob spread craters like this and we're getting a higher rate storyline, then your job is to be short NASDAQ. I mean, it's as simple as that. If your volatility is bearish, your job is to make sure you are short selling that Q as quickly as possible. Now, let's take a look at the gamma line. The gamma line just gives us that extra final piece of confirmation. Was the gamma line bullish or bearish on that candle? Bearish. In other words, the bottom edge is getting slippy. It's time to take your trade, guys. It's time to take your trade. Sell side offers, 15,130, and it's already traded a low price of 15,100, $600. And if that's your only trade of the day, because it's the only one that's got great value today, that's all you have to do, guys. Trade the great stuff. If you've made $600 in 3 minutes, you are a very, 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 very outstandingly good trader. If that's the type of quality trades you put into your book every day, that is outstandingly good. It's in the direction of the markets. It's in the direction of the flow. Everything is fabulous about this trade at this lower price. You've already seen the rejection. You've already got volume at lower prices. This is crazy good. Whether you're buying and selling tops or bottoms, I don't really care. This is the kind of trade you need to have as a bare minimum to be successful as a trader, because the order flow was fabulous on that trade as well. We got Voltics coming in. We got the double Ds starting to sell off. And with the double D selling off, the Voltics coming in, that was at 130 as well. This just got better and better and better and better and better for that sell. Crazy good trade. Lovely outcome, guys. Well done.